guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing another mukbang video for you guys. Today I'll be having the Egusi soup, Nigerian Egusi soup. I made them with some cow skin, beef, a little bit of stockfish and dry fish. So I'll be eating it with oatmeal semo, this size, not so big. So today you're just going to hear strictly eating sound, no talking, no just maybe once in a while you might hear one of my children's voice in the background, but you know I have kids, so I can't help it. So guys, let's get right into this video. Duckies. Sorry, I'm trying to be fast. As you can see, I've cleared my plates, all done. I have to be fast because I have kids who will always come and disturb me. So guys, we are done with this mukbang video, Egusi soup and oat fufu. I hope you enjoyed watching me eat. Please, if you do, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you.